All right, the first leg of our secret journey that you didn't know about until just now is Nashville. Mm-hmm. So we have to go to Nashville to go to our secret destination. So we're staying in Nashville tonight. We're gonna go here to Jim and Nick's barbecue to try out some barbecue.
Yay!
And then we'll head on to the hotel.
And rest for our big trip.
Where are we going?
It's a secret.
It's a nice little place. And it smells good.
It does smell good.
They have their own custom barbecue sauces. I think it's kind of a chain, but kind of not. Like, there's quite a few of them, but they're not like everywhere.
Like a local chain?
Not really, because they're in like a bunch of different states when I was looking on the website, but it's like not a national like super chain, but kind of a chain.
Well, I'll tell you, I love their uniforms because they're in like really soft plaid.
It's fine on there. That's our way through.
Like flannel.
Alright, so we got a little appetizer. What do we get?
We got some really good bread. Apparently it comes with the food. It's like sweet, it's cheesy. And we got chips and queso with smoked sausage bits in it, I think. Looks good.
Alright, so you got the barbecue pork sandwich.
Carolina barbecue pork.
Carolina barbecue pork.
Mm-hmm.
I got this little salad and the combo plate of pork and beef brisket. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
How's yours taste?
It's so good. Mm-hmm.
So what do you think of this place so far?
Oh, I like it. I think we need to eat here on the way back.
On the way back?
Mm-hmm.
From where?
It's a secret.
Alright, what'd you think?
It was very good.
Very good?
Mm-hmm.
Tasty?
Very. I'd go back, like, in 3 days.
No.
Yes.
You just told them how long we're going to be gone. Now they can cipher what...
Where could we possibly get there and spend 3 days and then come back? That's,
Only a few places.
Yeah.
Or ever.
I gave it away.
Or anywhere. Alright. Hotel. Trapped on the elevator.
Yeah. Except we're not. We're on foot.
We're trapped in the elevator. Trapped on the elevator. Are we trapped on the elevator? Found the room.
Found it.
No user. Woohoo! Unlocked. Boom. And this is our cute little room at the Hilton Nashville Airport. We had the Miami Airport hotel last time.
With the doorbell.
With the doorbell. This one doesn't have a doorbell, but nice room. It's got a little seat, bed, TV. What else do you need for a one night stay? Let's see. Let's check out the view. Maybe there is one. You can't see, but there's a reflection. But downtown Nashville's over there. Oh, you blocking the reflection? No, you're hiding in the. What are you doing?
I can see better.
No, I have to be able to see better. There's downtown Nashville over there. Sure you can't see it at night. And I can't zoom that far. So. But that's about it. There's obviously the bathroom. A toilet. Sink. With some nice lighting so you can do your makeup. Some deluxe amenities. Whatever this, verbena and lavender. And a stand-up shower.
Does it have a rain head shower head?
No rain head shower heads in this one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's it for day one of our little 4-day weekend getaway. We went from Chattanooga up here to Nashville, stopped in Murfreesboro, Tennessee at Jim and Nick's Barbecue. Had a good little barbecue dinner. Jim and Nick's is good. It's kind of a chain restaurant, but not really a huge chain. They're just in a few states, and but it was good food. So if you have a chance to stop by one, give it a shot. We're here now at the Hilton Nashville Airport, and we're gonna get some sleep, wake up early in the morning, and our flight leaves at 7:20, so we gotta get up pretty early to head to the airport, which is just like 5 minutes up the street, and head off to our final still secret destination. So, but you'll find out tomorrow what it is, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe if you like the videos we're making, and we'll continue to put out some more. So see you guys tomorrow.